Emily? What's up, my ball? I want to see your face. It's time for us to get a job.
I don't know what you want me to do.
Emily and I are going to work today off the farm. So this is a first for us. We got a job. We're ready to go do it. We're taking you guys with us. Let's go. So Emily is out making a delivery. We're on our way to work today. I'm going to take you guys with us and show you what we're doing, but we had to get out of the house. It's time for us to get off the farm. We're out. We make deliveries on Thursdays. It's really, really cold out here today, guys. It's like 28 or 29 degrees outside. It's really cold. But we deliver on Thursdays in Central Arkansas. You can put your order and we'll bring it right to your doorstep. Or we have lots of stuff we can ship to you as well. So if you're interested in that, let us know. But it's time now to go get to work. So our day started super bright and early. Our cows were all out in the front yard. I let Pepper out to go to the bathroom, and there was Bruce the bull. And so we started the morning rounding up cows. That's just the way of farm life, I guess. Got it done, got our chores done, Lane sent off to college, Ben's at work, and so that's why Emily and I are out and about. It's just us two a lot, and we get things done, and that's what we're doing today. So one of my things for this year is I want to do more things that are put in my path to where I can help people. I want to do more giving of myself, and so that's what today is. My friend Jennifer from Squeezitos Tasting Room with the olive oil. You've probably seen her lately being mentioned by Jill over at Whispering Willow and Jess at Roots and Refuge. I talked to her on the phone, and she was telling me about the influx of orders that she has had after Jess mentioned her on her channel, which is such a blessing for her and such a good thing. But she is scrambling. She's worried about that some of you guys that ordered not getting your order in, like she likes to get orders out lightning fast. And so it just came to me while I was talking to her. I thought, you know what, you and Emily could go help her out and it'd actually be fun. So that is what we're doing today. We're going to Squeezitos. We are gonna just do whatever she needs us to do. We are gonna be her employees for the next little bit and take you guys along with us and just see what's going on with her and just see what we can do to be of service. So let's go. Are you ready to work?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hey, good. Hi!
What are y'all doing?
We're here to work. Are you hiring?
Yes, I can make a place for you.
So we are here at Squeezitos. We're gonna help work for a little while. And so the other day it was funny. One of the people Emily models t-shirts for, she went in to get some t-shirts and they said, yeah, we can always tell when we posted a picture with Emily in the t-shirt because they call it the Emily effect because it just starts going crazy. And I was thinking, should we call it the Jess effect or the Roots and Refuge effect? Like, that's literally,
yes.
Your life has exploded.
That's right. That's right. Yeah, we feel so blessed. Yeah. That this has happened to us. Yeah, that Jess has happened to us.
Yes. We'll call it the Roots and Refuge effect.
Yes.
Jess was posting about one of her favorite snacks the other day, and so it's literally made Squeezitos business go crazy, which it already was anyway. A lot of people love this store, love these olive oils, but so we're just here to help. So just whatever you need.
So we got a whole shipment of popcorn, so I'm gonna put them to work. We're ready. Popcorn.
Emily, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Let's do it. just unloaded a whole pallet.
We're warm now and it's cold outside.
We're warmed up. But Jennifer and her husband just went yesterday to the farm where this is grown, I guess, produced everything.
It's really fun.
Yeah, so that's what we were unloading, is because all the orders you guys have placed for the popcorn, she needed a big order, so she just drove there and picked it up for you guys so she can get it out as fast as possible. A few hours away into Missouri.
Just a couple, 2 or 3 hours away. Yeah.
You were telling me about this farm, and I thought it was really cool. So anything you want to share with them, and she does have a video coming up about it, like her whole trip and everything about it, but like a brief overview.
Sure. Yeah. So it was really fun. We had the opportunity, because my husband got rained out, to go get the popcorn ourselves, which it speeded up the whole process so we could get it to you faster. But I thought it was really interesting to have the opportunity to go to the farm, because it is an organic farm and it is just right in Missouri, just right over the Arkansas line. So a local organic farm is just something that we don't have a lot of around here, especially farming corn and rice products, because those are really heavily sprayed with pesticides normally.
Yes.
So they were so nice, and they were like, yeah, y'all come up. So we got to go and talk to them and stuff, and that video will be coming out on our channel soon. You can see the whole process. They let us tour the farm. It was really cool. And Mr. Steve, the owner, Mr. Steve McCaskill, he told us all about how he got into organic farming and everything like that. So you can check that out whenever our video comes out in a couple of days.
I think that's really cool, because there's just a few things that I really like to have organic. Corn is one of them. Rice is another one. She's got both of those, and she's going to be putting some things. Are you going to put them on the website, the cornmeal and all that?
Yeah, we got a bunch of extra stuff too that we don't have on there right now that we'll have on there soon.
And it's all organic. Their whole farm is organic. So it's organic. Yeah, popcorn cornmeal, white cornmeal, white basmati rice. So those are that, and coffee. Just a little thing is my thing that I really want to be organic, because those are heavily sprayed crops, and some of those are things we eat all the time. We eat corn in all different forms. If you're a rice eater, that's just a lot of pesticides you could be injecting. So I thought this was a cool farm.
Yeah, and
really
I want to say one other thing. Yeah. Something interesting that he said yesterday that I wasn't aware of is that they keep the germ on their corn. And most places will machine it off, and that makes it last longer on the shelf. So they keep the germ on their corn, and that is where all the nutrients are. So that's awesome.
Yeah, that's really good. It's kind of like the difference in white flour and whole wheat. You're just getting a whole different nutritional profile and different product, really. So, all right, are we gonna pack an order?
Yes, let's pack an order. Yes, let's do it. Okay, so this person ordered one popcorn gift set, so I'm gonna get this size box for this order, and then I like to look at it, and I like to see where they're from and everything, and then I always write on it.
This is really personalized service, you guys.
Then we put a QR code to our YouTube channel in case they don't know we have a YouTube channel, and then they can see. We like to put bonuses in there too.
Bonuses. I like bonuses. So you'll hand fill all these bottles.
The truffle salt,
everything.
That's loud.
That's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work. It's very time consuming.
Yeah.
So then, over here to this part of our shipping department. I know it seems wasteful.
You should see our shipping department.
Does it look like this?
It's way worse.
It's in our messy garage.
Well,
whatever works.
And we like to look at every order, see what people have ordered, and if they've already ordered with us, then we don't put another one in there. But that on top, and then we pray over it. God, please protect this shipment so it doesn't break, and then send it on its way.
This one there.
Yeah.
And all that goes into one package.
the next thing we would do is put a shipping label on here, but our shipping app is down. And so, you know, technology is great until it's not. And so today it is not. And so we cannot even print a shipping label because we are at their mercy. So today we are halted and we are just going to get orders ready and wait for the app to come up. But yeah, so that's about all we do when it comes to shipping one package.
And you gotta write them arrows.
Gotta write the arrows. I feel like the postman do not see the sticker. So what we've been packing today mostly has been the popcorn and the truffle salt and the butter oil, because we pop popcorn in the butter oil and put truffle salt on it. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go check it out on our channel or on Jess from Roots and Refuge channel, either one. But we have lots of other items in addition to that. So if you want to check out our website, we have like garlic oil and Tuscan herb oil. We have ultra premium extra virgin olive oils that are not infused, that are the highest quality. We have balsamic vinegars, dark and light, and you can mix the oils with the vinegars to make salad dressings. We have soups and we have seasonings and hot sauces and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, you can go check out our website and see everything that we have. So she's gonna give us a quick tip on a recipe. Okay, so if you go to our website, there is a roasted Brussels sprouts recipe. So we use either the garlic oil or the mushroom and sage oil, and then we drizzle at the end the pomegranate balsamic. And so it is Brussels sprout season, so grab these two, garlic and pomegranate. This is a dark pomegranate balsamic, and they make your Brussels sprouts amazing. All right, so we made it home. We were actually thinking we were gonna do a lot more work to help Jennifer out than we did. Wound up, she's waiting on the truffle sea salt to be able to get all that popcorn out that people ordered. But we were able to see how things were operating, help unload the popcorn and all that. But I am going to try and make something she told me about today, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm about to cook supper. There is the cattle wrangler. Back up so they can see you. No, come here. There's the cattle wrangler. Oh, you gonna say hi? Gonna say hi to everybody? Yeah. So I'm a good girl. So we are having kind of a leftover night here, and we were talking earlier about these dill mashed potatoes. And so this is gonna be a bit different than how Jennifer does it, just because I've already made these mashed potatoes. But if you had not, you would just simply boil some potatoes, drain them, and mash them. Now, I've actually mashed these and put butter and some milk in it a different night, but I think it's still gonna work really well. So you can see these are just mashed potatoes. You can see the bits of skin because I leave the skin on sometimes. So I'm just going to flatten these out. If these were fresh boiled, you wouldn't have as much trouble as I am because these are cold. Yours would be hot. But we need to get them kind of spread out in just a baking dish. I've got my oven preheating to 375, so that's warming up. I'm actually just gonna take this Seasonella sea salt. I actually get this from her too. I love this stuff. I use this on literally everything. It's got big chunks of salt in it, and that just makes things a little more salty to me than using a whole bunch of really finely ground salt. I love this stuff so much. It's called Seasonella. I call it bologna salt. But anyway, you can get this there too. And then I'm just gonna drizzle this wild dill olive oil on it. So we're gonna drizzle this pretty good with this dill oil. And then we're gonna pop this in the oven for around 20-25 minutes. It looks actually amazing. So we are gonna taste it and let you know.
One roll. What is this? Deal? What's your deal?
That is really good. The oil made like crunchy spots on it. It's super good in my opinion. We're all gonna taste it though.
Super crunchy. So you want a crunchy?
Are you going for a big bite on camera?
Yeah. I'm hungry. Oh, it's hot though.
I knew it was gonna be.
I can burn a blister on my tongue. Yeah, it's good, but It's definitely hot. I'm gonna need to blow it next time. It's good.
Good? You like it?
It's good. It's good.
And now for our pickiest food critic. You like
It's
it?
good.
Yeah. All right, it gets a thumbs up from everybody. I would say you need to like dill to like this. This does have a dill flavor to it, which is really good with potatoes. We like dill in salad and all kinds of stuff, so, but make sure you like dill. If you don't, use a different flavor of oil. But we're gonna hop off here and eat. It is left overnight here. We're gonna eat and relax a little bit. If you do want to order from Jennifer, she's such a great person. I just can't emphasize that enough. So generous and kind, and she has given you guys a discount code VWFF. So if you want to use that, you can save a little money. She ships all over. But if you're in Central Arkansas, I encourage you to go visit her store and meet her. She's just a nice person. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching, and God bless.